solidarily liable si Ateneo. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi makabayad si Mr. Baldwin, si Ateneo ang mabayad.
Pero yung 4.9, is that per violation?
Yun yung overall.
Total na for all?
Yes, kasi 10,000 times 490 days, parang ganun.
Okay.
Yun yung computation.
So for the AEP,
Yes.
Certificate of Exemption,
Yes.
and Ateneo, 4.9 lahat.
Lahat yun.
Okay.
Ay, hindi naman 4.9 si Ateneo, si Mr. Baldwin. Isa lang,
separate.
isang 4.9 lang yung makuha doon.
Okay. So, pero it will be referred to the BI. Bakit ganun ka? Yun ang mabigat eh.
Yung sa BI kasi, yun yung deportation.
Yes.
O, kasi bago ka mag-deportation, kailangan harapin mo muna yung mga criminal cases kung meron na ipafile ang DOJ o si IDG. So, hindi mo muna siya pwedeng i-deport. So, nakapending yon kasi kailangan pang litisin doon sa criminal aspect kasi di ba meron natang binabanggit na homicide o ano, hindi namin jurisdiction.
Oo. Okay. Pero that is a recommendation from
Yes.
Dole na.
Yes.
We can call it that.
Yes.
Okay.
Sec, you said meron po kayong meeting with the workers. With
Sa taas
regards
na yan.
po ba ito sa AO na supposed?
Maraming topics eh. Maraming topics. Hindi lang yan. Nakisang oras pa yun.
So,
Pero
sir,
anong
sir,
status
for,
ng
for
TRO?
clarification, yung recommendation niya sa BI is for revocation of their residency visa?
Yes, lahat. Deportation yun.
Deportation.
So, yun na po yun.
Yes.
Mawawala ng visa
Yes.
yun. Para itapon na siya. After the criminal liability.
Yes, correct.
Sir, yung sa meeting sa workers.
Iba naman yung sa second case, immediate yun. Deportation agad yun.
Oo. Pero bakit hindi option yung kukuha siya ulit? Kukuha na lang siya ulit ng bago.
You're referring to the first case, second
For
case?
Baldwin, oo. Bakit hindi option yun na
Kasi-
i-rectify na lang at kukuha
Kasi
sila?
ano na eh, una, finire na siya ng Ateneo. Pangalawa, subsequent events would show na parang pinan na siya sa collegiate basketball. Di ba?
Sir, until when yung 4.9 dapat bayaran?
May number of days yun eh. Administratively, 30 days dapat if I can recall, parang gano'n. But they can file a motion for reconsideration. Parang yung lawyer niya kanina, parang
Yeah.
they will take the next steps daw eh.
Pero if they fail to pay, anong sanction na after?
Ateneo will have to answer for that. There is another pathway going to CHED concerning non-compliance, which we did not discuss.